Hi everyone, pleasure to be here to participate in this fascinating forum. Lots of exciting speakers, great questions from the audience, and actually we will talk about how AI influences the beauty and cosmetics retail. But before diving into this topic, my name is actually Dmitry Ogievich. I'm CEO and co-founder of Banuba. Quick words about our company. We are one of the pioneers in the field of computer vision. We were established in 2016, and we have 20 patents in the field of computer vision since that time. At the core of our technology is face AR and face tracking technology, and it gives life for the technology of virtual try-on, beauty tech, virtual backgrounds, and many others for the various industries like retail, fieldworks, transportation, healthcare, social networking, and video conferencing. We were onboarded our first client in 2018, and since that time, we worked and did the set of integrations to big brands and for the SMBs. And today we'd like to share our experience about especially applying AR into the retail industry. So leveraging our experience in this field since 2023, we decided to launch the low-code solution with personalized recommendations called Tint. Look younger on this camera. Probably it's AI. You never know in 2023 how you look in reality. So first of all, a few words about like our virtual try-on platform Tint. It covers a set of industries, especially focused on makeup, skincare, hair try-on, nails coloring, as well as accessories, jewelry, watches, glasses, contact lenses. So anything related to headwear and handwear goods, it's covered by Tint. It's available in web as well as mobile platforms, and it connects also offline and online world, being able to be launched offline in store virtual mirrors. Key features is obviously the virtual try-on, the AI-based personalized recommendation system. Thankfully to our algorithm, we have the fastest digitization process of SKUs on the market, and we also offer the VR and AR showroom. So we have like 360 degrees of offering of virtual try-on covering offline, online, and XR world right now. First of all, before diving into the topic, I will just stay on the market state right now. And it turns out if you are not offering the AR content on your website, on your online store, you are not, you're losing revenue. You're losing more than twice revenue which you could make. And it's nothing new, like even 90% of Americans already consider using AR for shopping. For example, Shopify said that the probability that the purchase will happen is 65% more if it involves AR usage instead of not using it. We are dealing with a huge, enormous market, which is more than $1 trillion previous year, this year even more. At the same time, the market is overcrowded, and it like distorts the attention of the shopper constantly. So if you offer just catalog on your website, you will be just another tab in the web browser, and it's hard to win the attention if you are just offering the flat 2D website without like AR. And right now, everybody can become a shopper, can open their like store with like 100, 1,000 subscribers and followers in the social networks. You can quickly open your own store and sell goods. And what is the state of virtual try-on solutions today? Also, it's not new, it's already adopted in many places, and the brands already announce how it impacts the ROI. For example, Dior got 6.2x ROI on the virtual try-on enabled advertisements. Estee Lauder sold 60% more with digital strategy powered virtual try-on, and it's huge numbers. Like Estee Lauder has revenue, it's public companies, like has revenue more than 9 billion. So virtual try-on empowered like billions of dollars for the brand. At the same time, the current solutions has set of limitations. Usually, the end customer and retailer just get the technology, not the fully sufficient and comprehensive product. The colors and shades of the digital version doesn't match with the reality. The digitization process is pretty slow, but the retailers expect almost instant arrival of the digital SKU in the online store as soon as it arrives to the physical store. Long integration process. And taking into account the above, we dealing with dilemma that the businesses aims to grow customer lifetime value and decrease customer acquisition cost. But we have the opposite due to the above challenges. Due to the overcrowded market and big competition, the customer lifetime value drops. Obviously, customer acquisition costs just grow. And our solution to it, and how what we recommend and what our platform team does, is that don't postpone the purchase. Don't postpone selling as much as possible in the first touch with client for future. For example, that's why we initiated the AR looks into the platform, when client can apply simultaneously a set of categories like lipstick, foundation, eyelash in just one look. And we take into account the anthropometric features of the human to do the personalized recommendations, which fits better, taking into account the skin tone, the hair color, the eye color, and other features. And so sell as much as possible in the first touch. Think about the use cases where you can also, but what to mention about recommendation system here also, don't be the smartest guy in the room, obviously, and make it, don't just recommend one item or one look, make it in the game mode. Engage the user, engage the client to let them pick among several looks, build their own look. So the variety and the variation important and matters. Think about the use cases. Like you just go to the store and you want to buy the gift to somebody. So the platform should take into account this use case and be able to offer the possibility to do the try on other people, not just like real time. Also, my favorite feature of our platform is product transfer. For example, you love the makeup of some person in the magazine. You can just upload the photo. Our engine detects the SKUs applied and used in the creating makeup for this human. And we build the AR mask almost instantly, so you can apply and check the look. And at the same time, we do the match between the items in catalog and to recommend what can be what most likely used for building such kind of a look. Decrease the time between orders. It's also matters, and there is also known solution from the physical world is samples and giving samples to people. But the samples should be like personalized, not just without sticking to the particular like features of the person, because he or she is in front of the camera. You should be able to detect what fits better, not just use the fingerprinting. People hear the reviews and opinions of other people, so increase the amount of user-generated content on your website. And in Banuba, we have like the handy tools for video and photo editing, which can be easily integrated into the product, because in general, people loves to hear the opinion of people similar to them. Back to the recommendation system, personalized experience. Again, it's right now, it's not just a catalog. Your retail e-commerce store is not just a catalog. Build the experience, tell clients about like their personality. People love to hear about them, about like the potential solutions for there, because all of us are unique. We have all like our natural beauty. We should empower the natural beauty. And again, don't be pushy at the beginning, because obviously with virtual try-on, you have to have access to the camera. Don't push the user to give this access. Work on your user experience. Start with the quiz. Know more about the person in front of the laptop or mobile phone. Let them share with you their problems and challenges, and in very invasive way offer the solution. What we observe, and there is a probably popular mistakes which ruins and impacts the customer's loyalty, is that they try to avoid beautification tricks. Usually there is a temptation to show some artificial, apply some artificial beauty for the person, and it turns out that it will be like first, it may increase the conversion from the first purchase, but it ruins the experience from the first purchase and be the matter of the churn. Make the virtual try-on as realistic as possible. Also ensure that the devices are different, the cameras are different, and when they use your solution, people can use it in different lighting conditions. Take into account all of these things and before applying the virtual try-on. So what we are committed to do with our platform and Tint, we offer to do the complete look and try on, so when the end users can mix and match the products and see how they look together simultaneously, which increases the conversion rate and satisfaction. We have already huge catalog of digitized products, and which can shorten the rollout time. We have quick digitization process of new products, and literally it takes less than 48 hours to digitize new cosmetics line. But again, what I would like to emphasize, make the try-on as realistic as possible, because it should be like a representation of a product, how it looks like in reality, adopted for lighting, user skin tone, face shape, not just don't just paint, but take into account the pigment, the texture of the product, and see how it should be laid and applied for the particular human. It will definitely increase the conversion rate, increase the average order value, and increase the time spent on the website. Focus on the personalization and digitize the experience of the beauty advisor. So the online shopping experience should be the same fascinating as offline, as during the pandemic time, everything has changed. People formed the new habits, and thankfully to the development of AI and AR, we can offer them same fascinating experience. Thank you. So I'm not sure, I have a few moments. If you have questions, don't hesitate to add me on LinkedIn or you can leave the message here. I will try to answer everyone. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and evening.